Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we'll learn how you can create animated AI videos. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and here we go. So first of all, open up any kind of browser you want and search for Lexica. After searching, open the first site that pops up in front of you. Lexica is a search engine and art gallery for artwork created with Stable Diffusion, one of the more popular AI art models. Stable Diffusion is an AI art model that generates images using a diffusion process. It is one of the most popular AI art models and has been used to create many stunning images. You can either choose a character from this AI generated gallery, create your own character and use it, or you can generate one using Midjourney. You can use whichever method suits you to generate your own AI character. After selecting your avatar or generating one, open up a new tab in the browser and search for DID. DID is an AI-generated video creation platform that enables users to perform any picture or video into extraordinary experiences. Their technology is used by creators, leading marketing agencies, production companies, and social media platforms around the world. They are on a mission to enable full video production using just AI. After opening the site and log in with your account, you'll be able to see this type of interface. Here all of the projects you have worked on before will show up. I'll show you the end results of how our video output will look like after post-processing. To create a new project, simply click on Create Video Present at the left side of the screen or at the top right corner of your screen. Here, a bunch of various avatars will be present for you to use, but you can upload your by clicking on the plus icon. Select the avatar you just created and start typing in whatever you want the avatar to say. You can also use your own voice recording, but I'll keep it simple by typing in few words. After typing the script, select the voice type, language, and style to give the AI video your own touch. Now, click on Generate, and after a few seconds, depending on the script length, your video will show up. You can play it by simply selecting it, and you are done. So this is how you can create animated AI videos. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.